Hey guys, how are you? Thanks for checking out my new video. So today we are going to play some Minecraft. I'm just kidding. Let's just start the video. So this day I was out there skating and everything was fine, like the weather was perfect, I got my new helmet on, I was really stoked, and yeah, then I decided to bump the next hill, and then something really strange happened. But at first just look at the video and then I will talk about it. And boom, my first drop with my new helmet. Beside the fact that I fucking slipped out on this fucking piece of fucking horse shit, the fall wasn't really that bad. But the interesting thing here isn't the fall, it is the cause of the fall. Maybe you didn't notice, maybe you did, but I did something really mean before. So let's just look at it again. And there it happened. I be honest with you guys, I don't know what the fuck was going on in my head at this point. He was just walking there, vibing really hard. Maybe he had the best day of his life, I don't know, man. Then I fucking came there and thought it was a good idea to scare him. And yeah, I know, it was just dumb and unnecessary, and he wasn't even fucking scared, man. I mean, just look at this face. He's like, oh yeah, man, pretty funny, huh? Just keep laughing until karma will fuck you. And then it happened. So I paid my price with scratches on my new helmet. I slipped out on this little crumb of horse shit or whatever it was. And last but not least, I had this little hole in my hoodie before. And of course I exactly flew on that little hole and scratched my arm. So if that's not karma, I don't know what karma is, really. But jokes aside, I have to say that I'm really happy that this happened, because I learned very much of it. First thing I learned is that it is really important to always wear a helmet, and of course in general protective gear. It may not look like it, but I went really hard on the back of my head and I had neck pain for a week. I also learned that the diameter of the wheels is also very important. I wouldn't go down roads like these with small wheels like these again. And I also learned that it is really important to always check the roads that you're going to bump before you bump them. But the most important thing that I learned this day is that you always have to be respectful to other people. You always have to be nice. Treat others as you want to be treated. Karma is a real thing, and if you do bad things to other people, it will always backfire. So don't be as dumb as me and just start to be a better person. Just start to be more nice to other people. Try to smile more. Try to do your best, and I think your life will change in a positive way. I'm really ashamed of myself that I did something like this, but I have to say that it was a disorder at this moment. I really don't know why I did this, and I changed my life in a positive way, and that for like years. And I have to say that my life really took a good turn, and I think everybody should at least try this. So please just spread the message and let us all be together and make this world a better place. Thank you very much for watching my video until the end. If you enjoyed watching it, please let me know with a like, comment, sub, and we will see us in the next one.